In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a day-night cycle inside of Unreal Engine. We will be using the Day Sequence plugin, which was introduced in Unreal Engine 5.5 as an experimental built-in time of day system for creating day-night cycles. So first you want to go up to the Edit section and then scroll down to Plugins. Then you want to type in Day and then select the Day Sequence from the plugins. You'll then want to restart Unreal Engine. Once you've restarted, you'll just want to click this icon here with the cube and the plus sign and then just type in Day and select the Sun, Moon, Day Sequence Actor. This will add the sequence actor to your outliner. If you want to click onto that and then go down into the details, under the transform section, you'll want to zero out all of the location coordinates. Now in the Sun, Moon and Day actor, you'll notice in the details that it has all of the lighting components that you need. So you'll want to go to the original lighting that you had in the outliner and just delete that, as you have everything you need now with the plugin that you just installed. So one thing you might want to do here, just to help your performance while testing, is just to again select on the Sun, Moon and Day actor, and then under the details panel you want to scroll down until you see the volumetric cloud component, and then when you select on that, go down to details, and you'll probably want to change the tracing max distance mode from distance from the cloud layer to the distance from point of view. Again, this will significantly help your performance, especially when you're testing in this. Next, you'll just want to go into your details to have a look, and if you look at this little scrub area here, you can see that it will change the time of day in your scene. And if you want to change the day cycle time, you will find the option just down here in settings where you can change it to whatever you want. I'm just going to change it here to 15 seconds so you can see how it works. But once you want to see it in action, just hit the play button, and then you'll see the sun moving across the sky and the shadows changing and all of that. Pretty simple to use, and you'll be able to adjust it a little bit more to what you need throughout the settings, and that's it. If you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate a little thumbs up on the video and maybe even a comment to help with the algorithm. Cool. Hopefully I'll catch you again. Take it easy.